Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam, welcome to the channel y'all. I'm here with Phil.
Hello.
And we have just hired a van. It is, what van is it?
Peugeot Expert, I think.
Peugeot Expert 2023,
yeah,
because we're going to be doing a road trip. Tomorrow is the road trip, so this is the pickup, part one. Well, it's going to be all one video, but this part is picking up the van. So we've just picked it up, we've just checked it. Phil's doing final ignition checks on it. Seats check so his little legs can reach. Height adjustment for his curvy back.
That's too close.
Steering wheel adjustment for his wonky fingers.
Got any?
What?
Steering wheel adjustment. Oh, yes, it has.
Yeah. Rake and
reach.
Reach.
Yeah. Is it that way? Feels like
Yep,
that way.
down, yeah.
Snap.
And there we go. Right, so part one is now complete. We've got the van. Let's go back to the house. If we make it. Oh, that's it, Mr. Fiat 500. You just go for it.
Usual thing.
Don't worry. You look like a plank. Road rage.
What shall I get started?
Let me turn you. Oh, flying pigeon.
Asked to get out of here.
Yep. That is not much form of visual.
No. Oh, it's nice to be back in one of these.
Yay!
It is a nice van to drive.
Next vehicle for Phil is going to be something like this. Right, so let's get home. So, it's a couple of hours later, and we've decided to stop up at Devil's Dyke. I'll take a picture and put it on for you now. And we stopped and got McDonald's. So we got nuggets and chippies, etc. And the next part of the journey now will start tomorrow. But we thought we'd just have, come up and see Devil's Dyke and just get used to driving the van before we have to.
It's an easy one to drive. I've driven Transit before. Compared to the Transit, this is a piece of cake. The Transit is weird.
So, see you in the next bit. So, it's the day that we're actually going to be picking up whatever we're picking up, you'll see when you see. And we're back for McDonald's breakfast. So anyway, we've just picked up our little McBreakfast. We're having a coffee and a hash brown, and someone's having a bacon roll. And yeah, so we're going to head off for the next part of the journey. So we'll see you when we get there. Bye. Okay, Phil's just ratcheting down the machine.
Does that seem pretty tight to you or quite loose? That's quite loose still.
Keep going.
Let me just unloosen that then. It's got caught in itself. Right,
so we just ratchet strapping it in. Into position. Plinth. Quick look inside. Quite a small motor for an industrial machine, to be honest, but geez, look at those springs. That's some bahuma. Right, okay, so we'll see you at the other end. Okay guys, we are getting closer to our drop-off destination. We have hit a lot of traffic quite today, to be honest, haven't we?
Yeah.
So it's been a bit of stop-start, but we are almost there. And here we are at our final destination. Hello! We got here in one piece. I don't know how, and it's raining.
Yeah, not finished yet, right?
No, but yes.
Not finished.
So there we go, guys. Done and dusted, and it's raining. Bye bye.